Hi, Nicole here. Welcome to another video. I'm so excited to do the unboxing for the new Canon R5 C. Now, I have been waiting for this camera to come back in stock. So glad it's here, and I'm going to show you what comes in the box. I'm also going to show you some of the key items that I have purchased just to get myself up and going to start using this system and camera. I'm so excited. The first thing to know is that this is not a sponsored post. I have purchased all the equipment that you see for my photography and video business, and here we go. Okay. So as you may know, this system is considered like a hybrid. It's photo and video, which I'm really excited about because that's what I do for my branding clients. Okay. All right, so here is the camera body. Little bump out in the back, and that's for intaking air and exhausting air. If you are aware that the R5 had some cooling, heating issues, overheating issues, so they have built in this fan in the back for the video. I'm pretty excited about it. So it has this great monitor in the back which can move forward and back, and you can lay it back flat as well, so that's a great feature. It feels really good in your hand, so if you're already a Canon user, you'll like that as well. Okay, so the camera body comes in here, and the rest of the box is pretty straightforward. Okay, so you have your battery, you have your battery charger, you have a camera strap, and you have your cord and your manual book here too. I want to just mention that in the cord package also comes with like a cable lock for the side of the camera as well. This has come in past Canon cameras that I've had, and it's great for when you're tethering and you need to lock the cord into the side of the camera. That is the piece that you need. And I have made videos on tethering, and this piece is people always ask me about this piece, and this is where I always say it came with the camera, and it's typically with your supplementary cord bag here. Okay, that is what's in the box. Pretty simple. Obviously, it's not just the camera body. You need so much more. So let's dive into all the other things you may need. So I thought I'd highlight some of the key things that I have purchased right from the beginning to get myself set up. And if you need these items as well, I'll outline everything below so you can start your research. Okay. The first thing is a battery grip. Now, I'm a photographer, but I also do video for my branding clients, but I love to shoot with a battery grip. So I have purchased this battery grip just so you can see what it looks like on the camera. I'll just quickly pop this on. Obviously, that door attaches inside the grip. One thing I love about this new grip is that it actually will indicate the charging levels of the battery inside the grip on the back. So that's going to be a huge help, but it feels really good. I'm excited to have this grip for this kit. Okay, so the other items are memory. Obviously, this is higher megapixel. So I have a 512 gigabyte. Now, typically I've always used SanDisk, but OWC had a new release for a memory card, so I'm trying that out. And then, since I have the Pro line of lenses for Canon for my Canon 5D Mark IV, I haven't purchased the new lenses yet, so I'm getting an adapter ring for this camera so I can start using the lenses that I have. These three things are the items that I have purchased out of the gate to get myself going. Other things to consider if you need a recorder or a monitor for video, I already have the Ninja V, and this has been great for using it as a monitor for my Canon 5D Mark IV because the output on that camera, there's no 4K to this recorder, so I'm using it as a monitor. But from the specs, it's saying that it'll be compatible with this camera up to 6K. Now, since purchasing this Ninja V, there's now a V Plus. So if you're in the market and looking for a recorder and monitor, I will look to the V Plus because that will be compatible up to 8K with this new system. Okay, so I'm going to test it all out, see if I need to upgrade or not. But this whole video is not sponsored by any of these products. I am a photography business, video business, investing back into my business with all of these things. I will test things out and report back to you to see how things are going. But please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. All right?